I see that you are now adding flavor to this chicken.
Absolutely.
What are we putting on?
First of all, I can't tell you that.
I would love for you to join me for something really, really special. I'm partnering with Pfizer and the American Cancer Society for a new kind of series, one where people who have lived with cancer share their favorite family recipes and the powerful stories behind them.
At my grandmother's house, she would throw down. So it was a ton of cooking in the kitchen, and we would all collaborate around some, basically some grub. On my 45th, when I first got diagnosed with my cancer, I didn't go to my doctor to get my diagnosis. I just went to my doctor to do my regular checkup.
Why do you think that men from our communities don't want to talk about it?
There's a stigma with this cancer. A lot of families don't want to discuss it because it's a burden. And the burden especially for men of color, is really tough. The Black community in general, especially Black men, have the lowest survival rate of quite a few cancers. I do what I do for prostate cancer advocacy is I don't want someone thinking they can't get something because they came from somewhere else or they didn't have the same access.
My mom and my sister and I used to be in the kitchen all the time. This was our favorite thing. And it's a link from my mom to my kids.
Yeah.
When I cook it with my son and my daughter, I tell them stories about their grandmother, even though she's no longer with us.
Did your mom pass away of cancer?
She did. She passed away first thing Christmas morning. That was the first call I got that my mom passed.
I too was very close to my grandmother and she passed away from cancer.
I am the third woman in as many generations that has been diagnosed with breast cancer in my family. My patient advocacy, it is for every woman that does not have the framework to continue to see their beauty beyond their challenges.
Growing up in a beauty salon that my mother owned, I remember the phone call when my mother was getting diagnosed. We were at the salon. Watching her going through breast cancer, that was the answer for me to do the genetic testing. And my sister and I, we were all positive. And then we elected to have preventative surgeries. And it was during the surgery, they found the cancer already growing.
That's a lot.
It was heavy.
I mean, I know that we're talking about genetics here, but genetics isn't
It's not the
only factor.
Exactly. I share my life with the world because I'm here to let every woman know your health is priority, take control of your health, but know that you're not alone in it.
Thank you so much for sharing your stories, your vulnerability, because I know that it's gonna help so many people.
We have recipes that are passed down, but so many of us don't pass down the health information. And that gets to change today.
To learn more about cancer risks and resources, visit cancer.org/changetheodds.